Meaning of high wire.
High wire.
High wire.
High wire.
High wire. High wire is a term used to describe tightrope walking, which involves performing acrobatic feats while walking along a thin, suspended wire high above the ground without a safety net. The term is also used metaphorically to describe situations where one must operate with a high degree of skill and precision, often with hazardous consequences for mistakes or missteps. Whether referring to literal tightrope walking or metaphorical high wire scenarios, there is always a sense of danger and excitement associated with these situations, requiring great focus, balance, and courage to navigate successfully.